Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. This is Josh at Encore, the Mustang Parts Warehouse, going over this load of 79 and other early Fox metric wheels. Some of you will recognize that these are the TRX odd shaped 15.5 or so inch rim that's hard to find tires for, but not impossible. And if you want to be era correct and proper with your restoration, you're going to need these wheels and those tires. So today we're going over these just as a bulk kind of a flyover, but they are listed on eBay right now as an entire lot. So for those of you who are here from eBay, welcome. Let's go over your wheels, and those who are channel subscribers just checking out today's video, look at these. So out of the 17 wheels that are here, you might get 3 good sets. You might get 17. Depends on how good you are at wheel restoration. There's some that have some dents and rash and somewhat major damage, a handful. That's why I'm saying out of the 17 wheels we see here, let's just go ahead and say you're sure to get 12 good ones. I've flipped them over front and back. If you're here from eBay, you've seen those photographs. But you can only see so much in pictures. So here's some curb rash on the lip. Today we're only going to show the faces, but the rears have been photographed and are pictured on the eBay listing. So I've got a tape measure handy. We're going to measure some wheels here in a moment, and I'll explain to those of you who didn't catch what I said earlier about there being a weird, not weird even, just an odd choice for a tire size on an American muscle car. So as you in the background, you can see there are some other production wheels, ponies and 10 holes, and I'm getting this tape measure out, trying to. We're going to go over wheel measurements. So a pony wheel, right there across the center, inside lip, right about 16. We'll go over here to the "15" it says right on the background there, 15x7, but you can see that's about a 15". And then when we get over here to the wheels you're checking out today, it's like a 15.5, 390 millimeter is the number in millimeters, and that's why you don't see these on a lot of Mustangs, the original ones anymore at least. They're a very hard tire to find, and there are aftermarket reproductions now with more of a run-of-the-mill tire sizes, 15, 16, 17 possibly. So the choice is yours. You can still have wheels that are this design, but not original. Or you can have original wheels. Here's some curb rash on this one. So, or you can have your original wheels and just bite the bullet and get the right tires. So how about that? So if any of you have any other questions about this load of wheels, go ahead and reach out on eBay. You can find me at Encore, the Mustang Parts Warehouse. There is one missing center cap out of all of these, and a few that have some damage in them. Hole been punched in it. Some are dented, some from the inside out, some from the outside in. But again, out of these, you might have a dozen that are average or better. So we'll do one final swoop here. Now that you've learned about what these are, 79 and newer Mercury Capri, Ford Mustang, 4-lug, 4x108 bolt pattern, early metric, 390 TRX. Mustang and Capri wheels. It's an overcast somewhat day today. When the sun's gleaming, I mean, we just gently brushed these with some simple green and a brush. These haven't been pressure washed of any kind. Really, if these were just polished, a lot of them, this one here is probably a good example. The rim is beautiful other than some corrosion, but straight, true, round. So thank you all for your time and attention, and possibly your business if these are the wheels of your dreams. Josh at Encore, the Mustang Parts Warehouse. See you later.